Good afternoon. In today's video I will show you how we're gonna remove the rear door handle on a Mercedes W116. As you will see, it's very simple to remove it, and all we will need is an Allen key number 5. So first we open the door. Now if you look here, we've got a plastic part. Usually we should be able to remove it by hand. If not, take a screwdriver, a flat screwdriver, and remove it. Okay, see, I've just removed it. Now inside the door we've got those two bolts Allen that we're gonna be removing with Allen key. Now that the two bolts are removed, we just need to push it towards the front and take it out. To place back the handle, we're gonna first start with this part, then this one, then here. Okay, that screw needs to enter here. Okay, so we put it at an angle. Okay, then we place the second part. Now it doesn't fit, so we place it a bit in front. Okay, now it enters. Place the joint as it should be, and now you push it back. Here we go. Okay, all what we need to do now is place the two screws and the plastic cap, and it's done. Here we go. That was the video about the rear door handle. So if you need to remove it, maybe because you need to dismantle the door in order to paint it, because you got a problem with the lock, etc. Well, now you know how to do it. So I hope that you have liked the video, and we'll see each other in the next one. See ya.